All right, so number 2 says Susan plans to use 120 feet of fencing to enclose a rectangular area for a garden. Which equation best models the area y of the rectangular garden that she creates if one side is x feet long? And then it's also given us the formula for area, which is length times width. All right, so what we need to do is we want to find an equation that will model the area of this garden that has a perimeter of 120 feet. So what I kind of like to do is I like to at least sketch out what's going on. So I know that it says that x is one side. Instead of length, we'll call it x. And then I'll call this other side width. And so if I have a rectangular prism like this, it says that 120 feet will fit around the entire garden. So then I could say that my perimeter is equal to 120 feet, and then maybe use that to kind of help me figure out my formula for my area. Because so far, if I want to try to find the area of what I have right now, I have that x times w is equal to my area. But looking here, I could see that x times w is not anywhere near any of the answers that I see. I don't even see a w in these answer choices. So then maybe that tells me I want to solve for w, and maybe some substitution might help me. So I'll start off with 120 as my perimeter. And we know the formula for perimeter is equal to 2 times my length plus my height, or my width, I'm sorry. But in case our length is called x and my width is just w. So again, I said I wanted to try to solve for w because I see that all of my solutions are in terms of only x. So that tells me I need to get rid of this w. So the first thing I want to do is maybe I'll divide by 2. So now I have 60 is equal to x plus w. And then if I wanted to get w by itself, I'll go ahead and minus x on both sides. So I have 60 minus x is equal to w. And now if I were to maybe substitute that w for 60 minus x, I would now have a perimeter of x times, I'll do parentheses, 60 minus x. And I could see, let's answer